Don't wrinkle it. Don't wrinkle it. Here, hold it up. Show Merrick the new picture. Say, Merrick, I miss you. Don't, Brady, you're gonna ruin it. I shouldn't let you touch it. Brayden, you got it wet. Oh goodness, why did I let you touch this? Alright, come here. I thought you were supposed to be talking to Merrick. Can you tell her about school today? What did you say to Mommy earlier? Ow! Brady! Ow! Get off. I said, what did I say to you? And you said, no way, Mom. Hey, I'm talking to you. Hmm? No suckers for this guy. No. Let go. Let go. See you later, Gator. Get off. Nana, boo. Nana, boo boo, Nana, boo boo.
Come on, let's jump.
Brady! I'm in my room. Roar! Scared you? Ah, it scared you. Hey! He's dead! Oh no! Oh no! He's dead! Somebody help! He's dead! Help! 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 He's dead! Oh no! Oh no, he's dead! He's dead! Someone help! He's alive? You're joking me. I love you. I love you. I said I love you. I said I love you.
Shoe.
What?
My shoe.
Who cares about your shoe? Take it off.
Get it.
They're here. Oh wait, it's under here. Over here, under. It's under. Come and get him. Where'd it go?
My shoe.
Say please, Mama.
Peace, Mama.
It's right there.
Mama. Don't tell me.
No way.
No, I'm gonna make a castle. Make a castle. Make a castle.
Make a castle? Out of what?